All right, guys, so the installation is complete. So this is what the roof wing looks like. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel and back to another do-it-yourself video. Now in today's video we will be installing a carbon fiber roof wing that I purchased from eBay a few months ago. Now this carbon fiber roof wing I did post on my Instagram, so if you're not following my Instagram, please go ahead and follow me at top_GYAL_ML63. That's top_GYAL_ML63. I usually post all my mods before I actually do them. I will be installing a carbon fiber roof wing that I purchased on eBay. It cost me around $300. I will try and leave the link in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and purchase this roof wing if you need to install it onto your ML63. Today I will be heading over to my friend Kello. He's going to help me with this installation. My brother will not be helping me today because unfortunately he has work. So Kello is currently at his house right now. He's waiting for me to come so we can go ahead and get this installation done. The roof wing is right here. I can't really show it to you guys because it's kind of like long, so when I get there I'm going to definitely show it to you. All right, so stay tuned. Hold on. Okay guys, so this is what the wing look like. As you can see, it's real carbon fiber. From the back. Okay, so now we're gonna pull off the trim tape. I already went ahead and make sure on top of here is clean. We use alcohol to clean it too as well, so it adheres to the rooftop. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down. Okay guys, so finally we got all the trim tape, the back of it off. It was a pain in the ass to get off. So now we're gonna go ahead and install it. All right guys, so the installation is complete. So this is what the roof wing looks like. All right, guys, so please leave your comments in the description box below and tell me what you think. I personally definitely think it looks super aggressive. It makes the back stands out a lot more, and it also gives it that, you know what I'm saying, that effect. So remember, I will be leaving the information or the link where you can purchase this carbon fiber roof ring for your ML63 AMG, and that completes the installation. Remember, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.